Hello, this is Raimo from Mevea. Today I'm at TOC Europe in Hamburg. And together with me is Mr. Gino Cherradi, Chief Business Developer Officer from Global Port Equipment. We have just announced the cooperation with Global Port Equipment on the simulator sales. So everyone knows you and you know everyone in the industry, but not all people know about you outside of the industry. So can you say some words about the Global Port Equipment?
Yes, of course. Thank you for having me over, by the way.
Welcome.
Global Port Equipment is one of our labels in our group, and it's our innovation label. Global Port Equipment is really, in the industry, an advisor connecting all the brands together so that we can give a turnkey solution to our customers. Global Port Equipment is also our rental label within the group, so we also do leasing of the simulators in our portfolio. Hence, we get in touch with Mevea because we saw a need from our customers in premium simulators. So we reach out to you, to Mevea, and selected Mevea as the premium simulator in the industry. And frankly speaking, we have the same DNA in innovation, so it's a perfect match. So we are proud of that, to represent Mevea and also to have the partnership with Mevea.
Formally, we announced the cooperation at TOC.
Yes.
But in practice, we have been already working for some time, and we have also done some first deliveries.
Yes.
So how are your customers taking your portfolio extension? Because now at TOC you have been able to talk with many of them and introduce that you have now new equipment in your portfolio. So what's the reception with your customers?
We're encouraged by the feedback from our customers to start a training academy in Amsterdam, which is easy to reach from all over the world, so that also customers can send their operators to train at the academy in Amsterdam. One special case is that we did our first delivery recently in Africa, and also we see that neighboring countries and terminals are approaching us. Can we discuss what are the possibilities? So, and in this case in Africa, they really invest in innovation. There are even electric equipment on the terminal. So, and the simulator was really a good add-on to their equipment and their existing fleet. So, customers are excited.
Yeah, pleased to hear, and I think it's also describing our partnership. It's not only words, but it's action.
Yes.
So we started already the work before the formal announcement.
Yes,
so
yes.
I know you are a busy man. Customers are basically waiting for you to meet you. So thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Looking forward for
the
next steps.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. And a pleasure representing Mevea.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.